I'm so excited about this next series. I am sharing with you my favorite dishes from my trips to the Yucatan. So these are some of my favorite breakfast items I've had when we've traveled there. We're doing café de olla, a delicious papaya lime cocktail, my favorite style of fruit with this amazing seasoning salt on top, Huevos Motuleños, which is really delicious and a very regional dish, and then pastelitos. These are kind of like little empanadas, but they're filled with cream cheese and guava paste. Anyway, it's gonna be a lot of fun, so please make sure to watch all of the videos to get all of the details, because it's so delicious. Today I'm making sort of the main course. This is Huevos Motuleños, and this is a really popular Yucateco dish. I'm actually gonna start with the plantains first, because I'm gonna fry those off and then make the tomato sauce and fry that in the same pan. All right, so I actually have bacon fat left over, so that is what I'm using today. All right, so I'm gonna let this melt down. So we wanna let this get really nice and hot, and then we're gonna fry the plantains off. So while the plantains are frying up, I'm gonna get started on the tomato sauce. Any canned tomato that you really like. All right, little red onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and then I have the habanero. So for this, I actually have a little trick. This way you can handle the habanero without having to worry about getting it all over your fingertips. All right, and so in that goes. And then, so handy. All right, so we're just gonna blend this together. It's really simple. All right, I'm not gonna worry about seasoning it yet because we're gonna season it when we actually cook it over the heat. All right, so I'm gonna check on the plantains now. The plantains are finished, so I'm just gonna take these off the pan and put them onto a plate that has a paper towel on it, just to drain off some of that fat. While we're here, I'm actually going to toast up the tortillas as well. Okay, so I'm just cooking this until it thickens up a little bit. What the heat does too is it softens the flavor of the onion and garlic. It kind of mellows it out. You want it kind of like the texture of a marinara sauce. And so next I'm going to add some refried black beans. You can make your own or buy them. This is from a can. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water just to make it a little saucier, and then a little bit of oregano, and then cumin and garlic powder. So I'm just stirring this together until it gets a smooth texture and it gets hot. That's basically all I'm looking for. And when it hits that level, I'm gonna add some peas to it. So I'm actually gonna toast off this ham. So it's just sliced ham, and it's gonna go into the hot pan, and I just want it to get a little crispy and nice and hot. All right, so 1 egg straight in. When you fry an egg, there is a little trick to it. You need to have enough oil in the pan to baste it. So you can see what I'm doing right now. I'm basting the white, and this is how you end up with like a very, just like barely set egg yolk, but then cooked whites on top. And then I'm gonna add some frozen peas to the black beans right here. All right, I think it's time to put all of this together. So now the assembly part. I'm gonna do some of the black beans and peas just on the tortilla like that. You just smear it. A few plantains, and then some of the ham. There we go, there we go. All right, and then some of the hot sauce. How good does this look? Oh my God, I cannot wait to dig in. So I already did a video where you saw me put together a cocktail, my café de olla, the delicious fruit with my seasoned salt, and I just need to do the dessert. So make sure to check that one out and you can see everything come together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video if you like it, comment below, and I'm gonna go put this on my little breakfast in bed tray because it's time to enjoy. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.